My proudest achievement in electronics is winning the UK ESF Scholar of the Year award. So that award is open to those who are on the UK ESF scholarship scheme, which is open to anyone studying electronics at university. And what that scheme does is it partners you with a company and you do placements with them, and it gives you a deeper insight into the electronics industry. And as a give back to the community, you also promote electronics to those who are in schools, who are considering it as a career. So to be eligible for the award, you had to have made a significant contribution to your company in your placements, and also gone the extra mile to promote electronics in the community. So I did both of those last year. I applied for it. I got invited down to the TechWorks Gala dinner in London, where they had numerous awards for other industries, and I got it. During my work internships, I did quite a lot of enhancements to our company's regression system, so it helped reduce the time taken to run tests and get the results of the tests for everyone in our engineering team, so it reduced a lot of time there. In terms of my outreach in the community for electronics, I did a guest talk for a group of primary school children who visited the university on a visit day. I've also helped out on science engineering festivals where I've taught young children how to solder for the first time, and during my role as president last year of the Electronics Computer Science Society in Southampton, I did a lot of work trying to get companies in to give talks to our members and to organise events and hackathons and coding challenges to try and encourage people to take electronics as a career once they graduate. So far, based on all of my placements and work internships and stuff, I've kind of been funneled into doing chip design and chip verification. So I've done quite a bit of that during my year placement at the moment, but I've also done some other like computer sciencey subjects like scripting, different languages and stuff like that. So at the moment I'm interested in chip design, but I'm also aware of staying broad in the sense of my skill set, so I can still apply myself in other areas. I think the main thing is having more visible role models within primary schools and secondary schools and A-levels and sixth forms and colleges. So I guess a problem that people do know about the electronics industry is a lot of it is, well, it's an old aging industry and we need more people to make up the new generation. So in my opinion, if more young people like myself put themselves forward and advertise the electronics industry to those who are considering it as a career, it should increase the intake. My plan is to finish my year in industry, go back to uni, complete my final year, and then spend a year either travelling or working abroad before settling back to the UK. Hopefully, well, ideally I'd like to work for a company where I can travel as part of my work. So obviously with the electronics industry, a large portion of it is in the US and in China, so being able to incorporate travel to these areas within my job will be my ideal goal.